We have a solid surface quartz countertop today. If you want to drill a hole in quartz, granite, or marble, this is how you can do it so that it's foolproof, using a jig so you can get a perfect centered hole. If you haven't used a jig before, super simple. It has an adhesive backing like this. We're just going to take that off and put it on the back. I love these because if you haven't drilled a hole in a solid surface countertop, this makes it super easy. Take a look at our spot right here. You want to mark on your countertop where you want your hole to be and an X. You want to always double check that before we start drilling, that it is exactly where you want it to be. Once you have that, we're going to take our jig and line it up where we want it. And you can see there's actually some hash marks here that it can help you to line it up perfectly with your marks. Can you see that? You got those perfectly lined up, and you're just going to press down. That's where we want it. One thing I'm using today, guys, is a diamond tipped hole saw. That's really important. And we're going to add some water so it doesn't overheat. There we go. We're going to keep that handy. And always protect yourself with glasses and with a mask to keep the dust down. This is really harmful to breathe. You don't want to press down. You don't want to force this. You want your hole saw to do all the work here. And you can come up and down a bit, so you want the water to go into the cut area. And once you see the water leak out, you know you're done. Take a look at the hole, by the way, guys. This is our hole. This is the one we did. This is the fabricator. Look at how cut up that is. You can do a better job than the fabricator, okay? Thanks for watching. Check out this video here for our vanity installation.